Welcome back, guys. I just want to keep you guys updated on what's been going on. I haven't been posting for the past, I think, a month or two, but I have been traveling for the past 3 months to 4 different states. 2 of the states we kind of went through really quickly, but there will be contents coming up. And I didn't forget about the van build videos. I have been having trouble editing the electronic video because there's a lot of things that's going on in that video. Lots of components to the electrical system, but I am almost done with it. I'm going to be posting up right after the holidays. I want to come on here to say happy holidays and to let you guys know what has been happening for the past 2 weeks. So let's roll the video. Alright, we're back in Louisiana because we're back for the holidays. Plus, there are some stuff that we learned throughout the 3 months that we've been doing van life. Some of the stuff is we have a lack of storage that we thought we would have enough of. It was a constant moving of stuff back and forth from the bed to this floor. So we're gonna build out 2 more cabinets. We're gonna take out the closet, the inside of it, where there's no hangers. It's gonna be just shelves. So it's a closet with shelves. And then we're gonna touch up on a few stuff, like just some painting, just cause dogs were scratching on the wood and stuff like that. And then we're gonna add on a little bit of shelves here and there, which I have bought on Amazon. And we're gonna just go from there. So let's get to it. I already put this up last night. It's not done yet, but it's the same thing how I did the other cabinets right there. Same thing here. It's just 2 extra ones and just painted over. And now I'm just gonna finish up. This is a new one. This new backsplash for the kitchen area is higher, so that way the dogs don't go over. Because that's one thing we noticed was when it was this high, they were kind of going over it. So this is to block and also just to have it a little bit higher, just in general. And then we're gonna get some grout and tiles and then put it on here. So we're gonna do that. But besides that, I'm gonna go on ahead and finish staining and painting the rest of the boards I'm gonna cut. I'm done putting the hinges and the cabinet handle on this. Now I just need to wait for the gas trucks to come in, and I just need to get some cabinet magnets from a hardware store just to have a magnet right here to make sure that they stay closed while we are driving. But besides that, it looks just like those right back there. I finally got these gas trucks in the mail, and I also went to the hardware stores to buy some cabinet magnets. I'm gonna go on and install these and then move on to the next project, which will be the closet. Alright, I finished the magnet as well as the gas truck right there, as well as this side. All done. Now I'm gonna move on to the closet. Now we're gonna move on to the next part, which is to put the backsplash onto this kitchen area. We're gonna be using stick and peel instead of the normal tiles and grout, just because this is a bit easier. I'm not saying the grout and tile is not easy, it's just this is a bit more simpler. So we're gonna go on ahead, use these stick and peels, put it on there and get this done. Alright, this is all done and set up, so this is the final product. Alright, and that's it. Van upgrade has been complete, and we will be packing up shortly after the holidays, and we're going to start traveling again. For those of you who has been waiting on the van build videos, it will be coming out shortly, and with that said, looking forward to see you guys in the next video.